everyone. It's sunny, but it's meant to be raining cats and dogs, and in fact it's been raining all morning. Oh, let me just pop the door open. I don't need this on at the moment. Oh. So yeah, sunny but very wet. Ooh, coffee, coffee. Oh. I've brought a hammer today because I'm hoping to get up on the roof and banging that nail. Where was that? That was there, wasn't it? I think it was there. Yeah, where there was a leak and the nail is kind of poking out a bit by about that much, so I need to bang that in. Oh, someone said, I can't remember who it was, said poke a few holes in you know, a lid and this will make a great watering can for, you know, I've done that before. I did that at home ages ago when I was doing seedlings at home. I completely forgot to do that, so thank you for jogging my memory, and I've done it, so I've got to fill that with water. Let's go and have a look at the paper mache because it has rained lots. Let's have a look. Come on. There's only one person there in the far corner, so the place is all ours, which is lovely. Now it has really rained a lot, so that's holding up. I think it's not fully dry because of the rain, and maybe even it might be worth applying a bit more. But it's meant to be raining all week. It's all right though. I'm actually quite pleased because honestly, you should have seen me. I was walking Rosie and I said, oh, you know, you should wear your raincoat. And I was like, nah, because it was not like this, but it was dry. And halfway through, the heavens opened and I looked like a drowned rat by the time I got home. I do need to do these as well. So, oh, with that in mind, I've bought more PVA glue. Just step over that, which is going to come today. And I bought some more newspaper for, well, it's got to be another dry day really, hasn't it? Because when it's freshly on, I reckon don't apply it. You know, like do it when it's on a dry day, like no rain forecast, and we've got a lot of rain coming. A lot of you have said, oh, it's rained so for days and days and you're kind of getting sick of it. That's the thing, isn't it? If it's too much of something, i.e. too much sun or too much rain, it does get tedious. But yeah, which to prefer? Oh, I think I prefer rain, but too much rain has its own problems. Oh, it's kind of the middle of the day. I do have an appointment with the dump, believe it or not, and it's a 15-minute slot. And there are other bits and pieces here that I'm going to take. I'm going to take that pile of wood. I'm never going to use it, and it's just untidy. Plus the glass. Do you remember that glass that was all panes that was in the... They've been in my car for quite a while, so it's about time I got rid of them. So, trip to the dump. Let's have a look at these seedlings in a minute. I just need a slurp. Oh, nice. This is going to be a quick one, to be fair, because of this appointment at the dump. Honestly, crazy times. And you need ID to get in. So these are all slanting. So I'm going to move these seedlings carefully. Well, I actually have to put you down for that. Oh, it's quite warm in this shed because of the sunshine. Oh, let's get these and then we can have a nice close look. And water them as well. Oh, actually, I need to fetch some water. Right, glasses. Now that's one pea. That's looking very good. That looks a little bit... Oh, it's there, it's growing. That's the beetroot. And they're coming along, a bit leggy maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I mean that might be the downside of in a shed, I don't know. I don't have much choice though, because the all the Brussels sprouts coming along, as are the purple sprouting broccoli, leeks, my labels that, well, we know what they are though, thankfully. Yeah, so they're all coming along. So I did buy more newspaper. Go on, out you get. Yeah, that's for later. I've got some paper bags for the seedlings. That, I mean, there's that one. I thought I'd just put that directly in a kind of bag, just so that it catches them as they. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it and hang that. That might do for the moment. And then there's these seedlings that, let's put you that way. I'm going to try and extract them. Just got to keep an eye on the time. I do have an alarm. Is this even on? Yeah, that's good. Oh, is it 11:30 already? Jeez, oh. Wow. My alarm's about to go off telling me to go to the dump. But it's the appointment's at 12:15, so I must, I'm just going to try and get these seedlings. Oh, let's just lean that there. It smells nice. Cool, this is good. These seeds look great. Quite a few as well. Going to be hundreds. I just want to say hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you for joining the Plot 25 Plus 1 family. You're really very welcome. I hope you enjoy. Yeah. I'm no expert, but I'm sort of kind of just love growing veg. And also flowers. I'm planning on flowers as well, hopefully. And I'd really like to get into collecting seed. So this is my first real, this and the echinops. That's, thanks Carol for that. You said that's how you pronounce it, echinops. Not echinops or echinops, as I was saying. Yeah. I'll just move it back a bit. So you don't want to just stare at seeds all day, do you? Each seed head seems to have 3 seeds in it, or thereabouts, which is pretty cool. They're such clever things, aren't they? Flowers and plants and stuff, you know. And it has a really lovely smell. That's really nice. You can just see inside if they've got one in them. So I can check if I've missed any. Got to keep an eye on the time. It's going to take me about 15 minutes to get to the dump. And then a further, well, I don't know, probably won't be busy because it's not busy anywhere really. Everybody's on their holidays, aren't they? People go away. You can just tell there's kind of like it's less busy if you're in a kind of towny kind of place. Oh. Oh, I must get some water these seedlings. Right. Oh, jeez, oh. Right, I've got to have a slurp. Come with me to the trough. My one and only, well, it's not my one and only beetroot, but that's doing all right. In fact, let's have a little wander around while it's dead quiet, and then I'll probably have to go. Like, I'm not going to collect seeds for the, I mean, I can come back to the seeds on another day. I just do need to water the seedlings. There we go. Oh, so lovely. I do love coming here. And the air smells really nice. Very nice. They're going to be flowering soon. Ooh, fantastic. Right. We'll come back to that in a minute. Let's have a little quick walk around. Strawberries, I really want to dig up and put somewhere else and then cover this. But that can be maybe when the tomatoes are done. Put them there. This bed needs tidying up. I can deal with that later. It's that strange fungus thing, but it's all kind of disappeared now. Oof, what? If anyone knows what that was, I don't know if anyone does. Yeah. That courgette looks actually quite good, and there's even a happy looking beetroot there, which is brilliant. This is a melon, which I need to next time do a lot earlier. Is there any cucumbers? Loving the cucumbers at the moment. Oops. No, but there's lots of cucumbers coming, so that's nice. Tomatoes. A few tomatoes to get. These are lots to look forward to. Look at these. Don't they look fantastic? And these look, and they're starting to ripen. They're looking amazing. I might sort of what's the word? I need to pinch these and kind of get rid of the leaves to allow more sunlight to them. I think that should be a job next visit. Tassel's not yet going brown, but they're starting to. If you can see the sweet corn. I love sweet corn. It's actually quite an easy thing to grow. Oh, and do you know what I haven't looked at for ages? The flipping pumpkin. Whoa. Check that out. And oh my God, it goes all the way there. Fantastic. Oh yeah. And it reaches there. So we could just watch that and kind of twirl it round. Not quite 3 sisters, more like 2. But I do love that. That's brilliant. Oh my gosh, loads of runner beans to harvest, but I've got tons at home. So there's some spinach I could still probably eat actually. I might do that because I do love the spinach. That's perpetual spinach. I'm going to wait for this to seed and try and collect this seed. This is lettuce. It's the kind of clump forming lettuce. Maybe and sow some more seeds. That should be the next visit because this is a quick one, hence the dump. Yeah. I can't see any actual cauliflower. I don't know. I've never grown cauliflower before. And is that a moth? Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah. Tomatoes on there. Yeah. Oh, I did sow some seeds here. I can't remember what they were though. I'll have to check back on the videos. Were they spring onions? I've got a feeling they might be spring onions, but they're growing. And I sowed some along here as well. No real signs though. I might need to chop this off because it's growing the wrong way. And I sowed here too, but there's only a little bit there that, like people said though, possibly too deep. 1 centimetre I think is the, yeah. Right, let's finish this coffee. Oh, I did want to climb up on there. I know this is going to be a bit dangerous. Bang in some nails. I think I might do that. Don't do this at home, kids. Look at this, it's solid, this, but quite a few look loose actually. Definitely where water gets in, I think, from that. Oh no. Holy Moses. Oh, I thought that was firmer. Fine. Ah, I need a step ladder. Oh. Don't do this at home. Oh, I can't reach that one. Right, step ladder. I think that's a answer to that. Yeah. I'll leave the hammer here and bring the step ladder next time. That'll be safer. But if I can show you, because that's actually where the leak is. I don't know. Hold on, glasses. It's kind of there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, anyway, that's where it is. Okay, let's get this lid on, slurp this coffee and then go to the dump. Oh yeah, that's done that. Right, let's check this out. Ooh. They'll perk up again, I'm sure. A bit more gentle than the old watering can outside. Oh, oh no, where did that go? Oh God. Oh, that'll dry. Keep your seedlings away from your water. Seedlings, seeds. That's what I meant to say. One hole's gone rogue. Can you see where it spurts out the side? Yeah, that's great. Okay. Oh, right. Thanks everybody for watching. Quick one. Might probably be 20 minutes or more. They're in, they can be a bit too long, but it's really hard. I've got to try and make them a bit shorter because I think people might get bored. I don't know. Take care everybody, and I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye. Rain's coming. Just got caught in a massive downpour coming from the shed. How quickly it changes, eh? Whew, right, to the dump. Bye.